Wow. Just get slammed. Extreme meteorologist Reed Timmer covering the dangerous Buffalo blizzard. This is from ground zero right now in downtown. You can even hear some debris coming around. I'm downwind of the building in downtown, downwind of the Marriott at the harbor. You cannot see anything out here. Textbook whiteout conditions dominating downtown Buffalo. This is after the sage this morning, 10 feet. A 10-foot sage came right down the tip of Lake Erie, flooding many areas along the eastern tip of Lake Erie, and also down toward Hamburg along Route 5 was also flooded out. And now 45 dBc.